everyone, start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, and now after this, roll the hair in on itself. Once you have done this, make two ponytails at the bottom at the back. Starting off with the left side, roll this ponytail in on itself as such. Now lift it up and pull it through the top right section, and then make a braid out of it. Roll it upwards and then pin it up in place using a bobby pin. Next, we will start off by taking the top section of the hair, add a rubber band to it, and now begin to braid it. Now, once you have braided the hair, this is what it should begin to look like. At the bottom, tie a ponytail out of it. Begin to braid this section of the hair as well. Now, once you're done creating this braid, taking the top braid, roll it upwards, roll it up into a bun, and then fasten it in place using some bobby pins. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back as such. Now, roll the hair in on itself. Divide the back portion of the hair into two parts. Start off by tying a ponytail on the left side. Now, add another rubber band at the bottom of the left side, roll it in on itself. Lift it up and pull it through the top right side section. Add a rubber band to the bottom of it once you're done with this. Lift it upwards and then fasten it in place using a bobby pin. Make two ponytails out of the hair. Now twist one over the other as such. Roll it up into a bun once you are done with this, and in order to fasten it in its place, use a double-prong decorative pin in order to do so. Next, we will start off by taking a section of the hair from the left side, roll the hair in on itself as such. Do the same on the right side as well. Gather the two together and then add a rubber band to it at the back. Once you are done with this, divide the hair into two parts, add a rubber band in the middle of each of these sections, and roll the hair in on itself. Once you are done with this, gather it together and tie it up, lift it up, and now pull it through. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, and this is what it should look like. Finally, tie a low ponytail to the hair. Before you do so, pull the second section through itself through the top. Make two braids at the bottom, lift it up, and then fasten it in place. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, and now quite literally make a knot of it at the back. Add a rubber band to the base of it once you have made your knot. Now take two more sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, make a knot out of it, and add a rubber band to it at the base. Once you reach the base, you may gather all of the rest of the hair together and tie it up together. Begin to braid the hair using this. Once you are done with this, tie a rubber band to it, roll it upwards, and then use a bobby pin in order to fasten it in its place. On top of this, you may also use a two-prong decorative pin to it to make it look all the more better. Start off by gathering all of the hair together, make a ponytail out of it. On the last loop, make a small bud or a bun out of it. Divide the rest of the hair into two parts, wrap the hair around it, twist it one on top of the other, and now fasten it in place. Next, take this double-prong pin, gather all of the hair together, wrap the hair around this two-prong pin. After you have done this, make a bun out of it, and then fasten the pin into the scalp. This is what it should begin to look like. Thank you for watching.